Welcome Bearspaw members. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for an event on our new website. The first step we'd like you to take is to get onto the internet and go to golfbearspaw.com. As you can see that I've done so, I'd like you to next log in your information and click in Login. This will take you to your Member Central page. In this Member Central page, it gives you all options on how to navigate through the website. But for today, we're going to look at the calendar. We have two options to get to the calendar. We can either select the calendar under the Member Central area on the right-hand side in green, or under the Member Central tab at the top where it drops down into calendar. So to register for an event, please select calendar. We are now inside the calendar of events for the 2017 season. We can either toggle through this or register for an event. So what I'd like you to do is just move over into the month of April, or select the month that you'd like by selecting the tab at the top. This gives you an option to select on a quick setup. As you see on the calendar, there are many colored options. These colors signify which category those events are under. So to know which event is which, we can select under Category, All Categories, select the drop-down. The drop-down gives you an option to look at all events at the moment. But to make it easier, we will unselect the events and select one of the events we'd like to sign up. So let's use Senior Men's Golf as an example. We'll select the event we want to register, or the category, and then move on into the page. As you saw in April, it now narrowed it down to which events are Senior Men's events. We can see Senior Men's Day on both these days here. If we want to move into the next month of May, we can then move in and take a look at which events are available under that category. So Senior Men's Day will run on every Tuesday. So let's say we'd like to register for Tuesday, May 2nd. I will select the day and click on Senior Men's Day. It gives me a quick detail on what's happening for the day. It is a 10:03 to 11:42 crossover. It is a first tee start. So to register for the event, what I'm going to do is select in the top left corner of this window, Register. It automatically puts my name in and allows us to add members if we'd like to add registration members, or we can continue on. So for today, I'm going to add another member. I'm going to select member, and I'm going to type their name in. I have two options. I can either search their name by their last name or first name here, or search in the toggle over here. So as I know the member's name, I'm going to type it in and select their name. This signs them up automatically. So now we have two members registered with no guess. So let's move to the next step and by pressing continue. Continue will give you the next options in the edit booking preferences. So in doing so, would you like to play in the first or second hour? You have three choices. First hour, second hour, or no preference. For this week, I have no preference, so I'll select no preference. If I did have a preference and I needed a specific tee time, I can now enter that specific tee time here just by writing in whichever I like. Also, we have the option to allow the golf shop to know if you need to take a cart or no cart. So on the day today, we're not going to take a cart, so we will select no. If you do have any other notes that you need to add into your registration, you can enter them down here. If this is all you need, we'll then move to the next step and click register on the top right in the blue. This will now give me a registration complete confirmation. I'll take a look at this, make sure everything looks good, and I can either print the confirmation or close it down. So what I'll do is I'll close it down. One of the cool features that this allows us now is that if we want to take a look at which events we've booked, we can go into My Bookings. With doing so, I can look at the next 30 days, or I can move in. Because we booked on May 2nd from March 28th, that is not within a 30-day window. So let's look at what we've registered for the full year. So there's our day that we booked just now, May 2nd. So a cool feature that is added to this is we can now sync this up with either our computer or our tablets or phones. So when on the mobile or here, we're just going to click sync. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to synchronize my calendar into my email. So now I know on my inbox Outlook, I'll be able to see when my tee times are coming up. We can also download the ICS file, which will send you an email and have it log in or add the link into your calendar on your smart tablet. So let's just select the next 3 months, which are the events, and that automatically syncs us up. Another way to look at events is instead of the event calendar, which we were in, we're now going to look at the list of events for the season. With the list of events, we have options. We can display the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, year, 6 months. So let's look at the year. Let's see what's available for full senior men's season. As you can see, there's only 10 pages or 10 events per page. So what I want to do is select all so I can see the full season and see what's available. So when I scroll through, I have an ability to sign up for every senior men's day throughout the season, the member guest, or so forth. If you have any questions along the way, please contact the golf shop. Have a great day.